If you have bought a Nissan Leaf motor and you're hoping to create a coupler for it, to couple it to your gearbox, I read on the internet that a Fate 124 friction plate would be a good fit for it. So I purchased a Fate 124 friction disc, paid about £35–40 for it, so not cheap. And this is the fit. As you can see, it goes on, but there is some slop. What's that? Half a degree, something like that, of slop. I'll try and get in close. I might need more light. I'm not sure. Yeah. Is that acceptable? I'm not sure. I'm not an expert in this. I'll slide it out a bit so you can get a better view of what the movement is. I think if the coupler is made with some heavy duty steel shaft that this is shrink fitted into, it may squash down a little bit. How much? I don't know. Not sure. I'll post this and get the considered opinion of the masses out there. It looks a bit sloppy to me, but I'm not like I say, I'm not an expert, and hopefully if it's crushed down in a coupler it may actually be okay, but I shall report back and let you know.